Hey, this is Jay at HelpYou.Live or HelpYou.Live, and we're going to demonstrate our email writer. And this email writer is going to write 24 professional emails, hopefully in under 2 minutes. So let's say I'm the COO of an apartment syndicator. We got a whole to-do list here. Let's say it's in Google Docs or maybe from Slack or a CRM system. We got to send out a whole bunch of communication, some good, some with cussing in it, whole bunch of different people here. Difficulty attracting new tenants. We got a construction manager who needs more people for flooring that we can provide. We want to reduce our property tax bill because higher interest rates have reduced value. Huge thanks to Jay at HelpYou.Live, right here, for increasing productivity at open house. Our email chatbot saves so much time. And then we closed on a building, so we need to announce this to a bunch of different people and say our thank yous. So I'm the COO. Unfortunately, my assistant is gone today, so I'm responsible for all this before we run into a meeting. Normally, it takes maybe 2 to 3 minutes to create an email. So this list of 24, might take over an hour, possibly 2 hours. Even using templates, you still have to input all this information into a template or into a spreadsheet that feeds into a template, which is going to take a bunch of time and frankly is just going to be a crappy email. No one wants repetitive templates, even if they're rotated through 3 or 4 different ones, especially when we're thanking our team and all these valuable people. So let's go through here and see how quick we can get these done. I'm going to put on a timer just so we see exactly how long it takes compared to what it would be otherwise. So I'm going to tell it now to write 6 unrelated emails. Just letting it know that these don't have any relationship to each other. Wow, tenant burned down a unit. That doesn't sound good. All right, now it's in there writing the emails. I'm confident enough that these are going to be right. We're just going to keep moving along the list here. I think I might have selected too many, so hopefully it wrote the right amount, but we'll see. Right. 4 unrelated emails. And again, we're just going to copy and paste without editing all of this. There's actually some misspellings in here. There's some language like this that's very conversational, maybe. Budget overrun, team party, renovation manager. And you know what? We're just going to keep going so I can show you how fast we're going to do this. And then I'm going to move on to read the individual emails. 2, 4, 5. Right here, I'm going to copy this. Say write 5 separate emails. And we're going to do our last ones here. And it's still writing those emails that we just sent it to. And right now we're going to do the last, it looks like 7 here. Right, 7 separate emails. So we're going to see, we're at 1 minute and 43 seconds. And we're going to see if it finishes this before 2 minutes is what I'm hoping. And if not, it's going to be pretty close. And then we're going to go back through and read these. I'm also going to copy and paste the results of this next to our demonstration video so that you can see exactly the emails that were written with this technique. And there, the last one's done. We're at 1 minute and 58 seconds. So let's scroll all the way back up to the top. And we're going to look at how well this thing did. So the first one was to congratulate Lisa at Hillcrest, 97% occupancy, and she's very organized. Dear Lisa, I wanted to personally congratulate you on achieving 97% occupancy rate at Hillcrest. Your exceptional organization skills have played a significant role in this impressive accomplishment. Evident that your dedication and hard work have paid off. Your expertise and valuable treatment. Appreciate all you do to ensure success of our products. Keep up the fantastic work. Best regards. I would say that that is a very good email for what that is. Now here we go. Fucking James is behind again. It's automatically going to clean that up. It's been trained to get rid of any anger, any cursing in an email, and write it professionally, but to the point of what's gone wrong. So let's see if it does that here. We have the right name. His name is not fucking James. It understood we were just angry here. I hope this email finds you well. I want to discuss the recent delays we've experienced with AC installations at Riverside. Come to my attention that 20 installations were due last week, but only 10 have been completed so far. So this discrepancy is causing significant inconvenience and frustration for our clients. I understand that unforeseen circumstances arise, but it's crucial that we maintain open lines of communication to address any issue promptly. Can I request you provide an update on the status of remaining installations? We value your expertise and look forward to working on this matter efficiently. Thank you for your attention. So I think that did a good job. It has 2 curse words in here, and we were